What's going on, everyone? Ali Akbar here. Every single day on the channel, I teach you how to build a real e-commerce business using white label dropshipping. Today, we're actually going to be doing some live product research. We're going to load up our tool of choice called Winning Hunter. I'm going to leave them linked down below. So every day on this channel, I share winning products and winning AI ads. But a lot of people ask me, Ali, how do you actually find these? Like, how do you find these stores? How do you find these AI ads? And so in today's video, I want to show you exactly my research process on how I do that, right? How I'm able to find stores, what my vetting process looks like, how me and my students are modeling already successful stores and launching them under our own brand. That's what white label dropshipping is. Now, today I actually have an exciting giveaway. So anybody that comments research down below, I'm going to give you guys one AI employee that we have right here. It's called our product research AI employee. Essentially, what it'll help you do is whatever product that you end up using, it'll help you just validate it, vet it, and make sure that it is all right. Now, my entire vault of AI employees, you guys can have access to it, link down below if you want. But this one we're going to give away for free. Just comment research down below for a chance to win. Okay. And remember, we don't build e-commerce businesses from scratch. We find stores that are already proven, we white label them, and we launch them under our own brand. Welcome to white label dropshipping. Let's get into it. Okay. So typically I've been using this new sort of research method, all right? And it's really fun. It's cool. So let's go to this one, right? So it's this one business. Let's say it's Cowboy Colostrum, right? So let's go over here. It's showing a bunch of good stuff. Like, for example, let's say it's showing, actually, this is not a bad business at all. It's crazy. This is why I love Winning Hunter, man. This is literally why I love Winning Hunter. Like, it's so easy to find products, right? So I'm here. A couple of things that I'm going to look at for this business in particular, okay? Number one is how many active ads do they have? They have 170 active ads. That bodes really well for them, right? And typically I want to see if these ads have been active for a while. I mean, some of these ads have been active since Feb 17. So it's not just a new business. It's been around for at least a few months. So that's good. Okay. Now, other thing I want to make sure is all of the traffic going to one product? It looks like Cowboy Colostrum is just one product. Okay. So this colostrum product is one, and they have different flavors of it. That's great. Okay. So it's basically just one SKU. Now that's important for me to understand, because I want to make sure that when I'm like researching a business or a business opportunity, and especially if they have like hundreds and hundreds of ads, they're not running to like multiple different products, right? It's going to one particular product that I'm able to essentially understand. Like, now without a shadow of a doubt that I know that it's this product that's working. So if I wanted to start an e-commerce business, I should start in the colostrum space. Then I want to basically understand what this thing is. What's the main marketing angle? Okay. And a quick view of the ads will give us like what this is being sold for. Okay. So this is being sold as a cure for bloating. Okay. Amazing. Right. That's really, really good. It's being sold as a cure for hair loss. Nice. Right. And then it's being sold to reduce, bloating, thicker and fuller hair. So I'm seeing two main sort of advertising angles here, right? Over here, let's take a quick look again. I want to have an understanding of what people are saying. Okay, so this is breastfeeding, right? So for breastfeeding moms. Okay, fine. So there's a ton of different angles, right? Look at this, right? Tired of breakout. So this is also being sold as a breakout cure. Now, I really like products like this. The reason I like products like this is because they have so many different benefits. That means that I will never stop advertising. Like, I will never run out of like creatives to advertise. Like, by the way, I didn't open this up to talk about this product. I opened this up to show you guys one of the tricks that I've been using with Winning Hunter to find like untapped opportunities. And this is something that me and the CFO of Winning Hunter, we got on a call and we were just exploring different ways to do product research. And this is one thing that he basically revealed to me, which is crazy. Okay. But I'm going to track this store just just myself because I think this is an awesome opportunity. Again, I'll leave Winning Hunter link down below, 20% off or $20 off, whatever it is, if you use the link with the discount code attached. Okay, so now one thing that we're going to do is just quickly track how much revenue the store is doing. I'll reveal my trick and then I'll get back to the store because I think this is awesome. Okay, quick thing that I'm also going to do on the side is I'm going to see, hey, is this like a product that we can drop ship, or is this something we have to private label? So let's go to AliExpress, let's go to colostrum, and let's see if this is something that we can drop ship, right? So if we go to colostrum, I did see colostrum powder. Okay, amazing. So there's capsules and there's powders that we can literally just drop ship. So let's say we take this guy that's selling for about, what is it, $21. They're selling it for 59. Beautiful margin right there, right? Beautiful margin right there. And for Alibaba, let's go here. Let's type in colostrum. All right, so let's go ahead and search for it on Alibaba and see how much it would cost. It's very easy to make. Let's go to this powder. I'm sure that if we ask them, they could do like different flavors for us as well. It's $2 to $4 for one. And again, you sell it for 50. It's amazing, incredible. So incredible business opportunity here. And look at they're making 700,000 every 30 days. Biggest market is this is why I go to Winning Hunter. Like I'm genuinely like, yes, I have an affiliate link with them, but I'm not like I don't own any part of this company, right? But I use them so much, and it just makes it incredibly easy. Like, and I get hit up with product research tools all the time, and I do use some of them, but I have really never gone to anything else until now, right? It's just so easy to find. Like they have like winning products right up in here. So I'm gonna come back to this. I just want to show you guys a trick. Okay, let's say this product wasn't cool, or maybe you decided, you know what, I can't get into this business. Like I like how it looks and feels, but I don't want to get into supplements. I don't want to get into supplement manufacturing, XYZ, whatever it is, right? You can go here, hit view details, and you can click this called find competitors with Magic AI. What this trick allows you to do is it allows you to find literally other businesses that look exactly like this. Or maybe you don't want to get into colostrum, but look at this. Now you're into a different type of product, but it'll try to keep like the person the same. Now it's into hair care, right? Again, really, really cool business opportunities start opening up, right? Hair care starts opening up. This is like for I don't know what this is. This is for loose belly, but it's also like a milk related product, right? What is this? This is for again another great supplement. Another great supplement. Like, look at all of these different business opportunities, and all of them are lit. Look at all of these active ads that are running. Most of these business opportunities are lit. Now you can start going down the rabbit hole and try and find like opportunities that are like just for you, like that are a little bit rare. Like, look at this night renewal retinol serum. Dude, what? Insane. Like, e-commerce is one of those business opportunities that's just filled. It's just filled with products, and it's so beginner friendly because if you can come in with a product like this, you're not going to have any issues selling. Okay, but let's go back to this colostrum business. Now, let's look at, I want to look at it through my lens. And I'm going to see, look at this. Number one, nobody else is tracking it, which is insane. So guess if you're watching this, we're the first people to track this business and its ability to make revenue. Amazing. 700K in sales. And that's only for the last 30 days. If I go last 180, apply, hit apply here. For how much ever this one's tracked, it's done 4.4 million over the last 180 days. Okay, 4.4 million. This is not a small business. Most of their revenue is coming from the United States. Amazing. All of their ads. Now, if I turn off this toggle, now normally I don't like playing with ads library too much live when I'm recording. Reason being is it just glitches out on me sometimes, right? Right now is a perfect example. It didn't load how many ads that it's found, right? Even though I removed the active filter, Active, it was 170. We don't know how many. It's not showing us. But again, I'll show you another hack. Okay, just go to Facebook ad library, type in the exact name of the domain. Okay, and then you just gotta hit like refresh a couple of times. Maybe go www over here. If you can type in the domain name, it will give you. Okay, and then you have to put it in like quotes. Why is it glitch? It's glitching out on me, guys. That's why I don't like playing with it too much like live. But normally, if you just enter their domain name just like this, like see now it's showing everything. I don't know why it does this. Okay, so it says that it's in total it's run 230 different ads, which is good, right? And now we're seeing all of the ads that it's running without the page name as well, right? So it's actually trying to link up with like really big influencers as well, and it's running ads through them. This is a very hidden gem type of opportunity. Okay. Now, for those of you thinking, man, Ali, what are you telling me? Like, I want to start a beginner friendly business. I want to start into drop shipping. Like, I don't want to get into businesses like that are like this, right? That are a supplement. People will take them, guys. It's all the same, right? Okay, yes, as a beginner, maybe this is not something that you dive into, but it's still something you should study to understand, right, how businesses and stuff operate. For me, if I were thinking this, number one, the way that I would look at it is, do I find this product cool? Like, ask yourself, like, are you a consumer of this? Like, would you use it for like your immunity, your gut health, your hair, and your performance and stuff? Would you use it, right? That's number one. Number two, if this is something that you're genuinely interested in, then look at all of the marketing angles and try to identify like a gap. Right now, for example, what I'm seeing is they're targeting the entire US and they're basically going after all of their angles, right? And even on their funnel page, they've pretty much written all the angles. Now, what you could do is you could white label this, and you can just go after you can basically just create your own version of the same page. That's exactly what we do when we launch businesses. And down in the link in the description, if you look at our free e-commerce masterclass, I'll show you how we find businesses, how we replicate them, and we launch them under our own brand with AI ads. That entire free e-commerce workshop is down below. But yeah, that's exactly what we do, right? So you could just create a white label version of this and do what they're doing. Or what you could decide to do is go after like one particular niche, right? So in my case, that may be something that I do where I just go after gut health, okay? Because gut health is an insanely important niche, right? And I'll show you why I know that. I know that because, again, on this channel, we study businesses all day, every day. And be sure to like and subscribe if you want to, continue studying business with me. So this company called BB Company, that again makes a ton of money. Okay, they make 1.2 million a month. All right, and if we look at their sales revenue over the last 180 days, okay, we'll see that these guys they're not joking around. All right, in the last 180 days, they've made 10 million. Okay, which is what, like 2 times this company, right? And they're going after gut health, right? So a lot of they're selling ProVitalize, right? They're selling gut health, but they're selling it to solve a bunch of different issues, right? They're selling, look at this, right? The color is infectious, my libido is bad. So they use gut health as a way to sell into different benefits, okay? And this is another business that you should definitely study, okay? One of their and what I'm trying to get at is, number one, that if you do product research every single day the way that we do, or you could just essentially watch the content because I do it live, you're going to understand trends in e-commerce. And I'm seeing this trend, and if I were to launch this business, I would maybe go after gut health because it's a really big niche, right? Or I would go after maybe hair, right? Because this hair is going to be something that you can sell over and over again every single day. Like, you can go before, after. Like, you can do this all day, every day, continue to show before, after photos, and just crush. Okay, but what I wouldn't do is maybe just cast a really wide net. Now they're doing 700K, so they're testing multiple different angles. If you're just starting off on a smaller budget, you would choose one angle. Okay, for the product page, you would create your product page around that one angle, perhaps, right? Or you could even, or if you don't know what angle to choose, what I would do is default back to just how they've created it. Okay, again, if you don't know what I'm talking about in terms of like, we really model our competitors closely. Okay, so check out the masterclass down below, or you know what, let me give you an example. I'll just log into white label dropshipping. Okay, this is where we help you launch. And so if we're going after like Sheilajit Honey Sticks, right? This is a store that we've created a model for. Now, essentially what they're doing is they're going ahead and they're launching traffic to a product page like this, right? And so what we do is we create a very similar, so this is their product page, this is our product page, okay? We will create a very similar product page to them because, man, they're making a ton of money with this design, right? So why would we change anything about it? So we would basically create a very, very similar design as our competitor. So even in this case, I would say create a very similar design and launch exactly like the original, but under your brand. And what you could do if you wanted to, if you were so inclined to, is just change the copy here or change the images here to just really focus on that hair or that gut health, so that that point is driven home, that your colostrum helps in that. And so that's how you can start small with a budget and go ahead and start. When you start scaling up and you're increasing your ad budget, then you could go ahead and increase the types of problems that you're solving. Okay, to be able to create pages like this, you are going to need access to a page builder. You could do it on Shop Funnels, or you can do it on Shopify. If you do Shopify, you're going to need to add on another app, but you're going to need to create a page just like this. And I would just model this as closely as possible. Again, when you get orders, what you could do is start sending this product out. It looks very, very cool and it looks very nice as well. So you could just start selling this product to start with. And once you're at about 2 to 5 orders a day, that's when you can just go ahead and private label it. And man, your margins would be increasingly amazing. But when you're dropshipping this product, don't expect to make a ton of profit, because again, you're still at that 50% profit margin. But when you move into private labeling, when you're at like $2 to $4, that's when you're going to get an insane amount of profits, right? Specifically if you get this business working right. And yeah, I mean, this is so crazy how we found this opportunity. I thought this was going to be a completely different video because I wanted to show you the trick with Magic AI and how to use it. But again, I think this is a great point to wrap this video up. Yeah, guys, let me know if you want to see more stuff like this, all right? And if you want to see me do more live product research and break down businesses, all right? With that being said, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for giving me your valuable time. If you learned anything new, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. I'm putting out videos every single day to help you launch a profitable e-commerce business in 2026. Now, if you're serious, I've got 2 things for you. Number 1, register for my completely free white label e-commerce workshop where I break down all of this step by step. And if you attend, you're going to get my AI ad rebuilder completely for free. It's a tool that takes any winning ad and rebuilds it for your brand. Link to the register is in the description. And number 2, if you're ready to implement what we spoke about in this video, check out white label dropshipping. This is where me and my team actually research 6 and 7 figure winning products. Choose the best, most beginner-friendly businesses and recreate them entirely, and let you download them with one click into your Shopify or Shop Funnels account. Then we create the ads for you, we launch the business with you, and we scale it together. This is the highest value program that exists right now in the entire e-commerce space. Links to everything are down in the description below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.